What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Really excited to share this one with you today. This is a clip that I'm taking out of my Benjamin Franklin Method video course, which is basically a systemized version of the Habit Hacker Mastermind. It's the process that we use and hold each other accountable using. In this video, I'm going to share with you this concept of how to go from loser to legend step by step. We're going to be talking about how to build a legendary baseline of continued positive upwards moving momentum so that you can move out of that space in your mind of being a loser and into that space in your mind of considering yourself a legend. If you're interested in getting access to this course, you can drop me a comment below. You can hit me up in the email below. It is not live online for public purchase, so you have to get in touch with me if you're interested. You can also just download the Quarantine Domination Blueprint, and there will be a way to get access at the end of that as well. Enjoy.
It's about making these small daily shifts out of this thinking and into legendary thinking. These small daily decisions that surprisingly within weeks they can feel natural and almost easy, and suddenly you start to think differently about yourself just by doing a few things different every day for a long enough time and proving to yourself daily that you are this guy now, that you don't think you have this guy under control. You get him on a leash, and that's a very powerful mindset shift. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is every day we're going to be basically building this baseline. And if you have mind, body, spirit, forgive my bad handwriting, spirit, purpose, and then the master habit. And out of 10, we just let's say that this is average right here, and then we just boom. This is the level that you're at. Okay, this would be below average, let's say. This is sort of the average zone, and we're trying to get into this zone up here, right? This zone up here, where right now you might not be really crushing it in these areas, or maybe more accurately, you're in different places on each of these, if that makes sense, right? So you might be over here in mind, up here in body, up here in spirit, down here in purpose, and nowhere on the master habit. But your level is personal to you. And so what we're going to try to do is every day take these little legendary steps in each of these areas that are going to move your baseline, this little point here, up to at least here, at least to an average spot, where then, because it's continuing to improve, it will start to get into this awesome zone here, where you become the legend. Okay, so that's it. I wanted to explain the two people within us and the baseline, because over time we're going to build these up so that your natural baseline, how you feel in all of these areas and how you feel in between these two areas, is consistently going up. We want to get that baseline to consistently be improving and take advantage of that compound interest. That's the stuff. All right. One final thought is you're always in either positive or negative momentum. Always in either positive or negative momentum. Okay, so every single day you're either taking a step up, making your baseline better, or you're making it lower. All right, so we want to be staying in positive momentum. We want to be doing legendary steps. We want to be improving that baseline in all of these areas and crushing it. That's how we're going to dominate quarantine and any crisis and anything that comes up that we don't expect, because we are solid within ourselves. Okay, that's it for this video. On to the next. Thanks for being here. Appreciate you. Ciao.
Thank you, Mr. Alex Walton. You got it for me, buddy.